Get ready for a very special Krista's Corner.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep.
Yeah, I got nothing. Look, I was really surprised she showed up the other day. She's got a really heavy schedule right now. She's got a lot going on. Her grandfather was just diagnosed with COVID, and she's worried about that. She's working full time, going to school. She's moving now. She and her boyfriend have got a new place, and now they're packing up everything, and she's trying to get that done. And she didn't have time to do Krista's Corner this week. But I got a project for you. I did something. I mentioned it before that I had a scrap pile, and I had several scrap piles, and instead of just burning it, I decided, what the heck, I'll make something. And it just so happens Krista is moving and she needs furniture, and so I decided to make a little table today. And you want to take a look at what that looks like? Yeah, we can do that. First, I got to warn you. Two things happened. One, the camera crapped out towards the end of the video, so you don't actually get to see me stain it or poly it. But I do put stain and poly on it, at least the first coat of poly. And then another really weird thing happened. When I moved the saw, the first time I used the saw, it was fine, but when I moved the saw, when I started it, it vibrated the camera really weirdly, and it makes a really weird effect. So it's kind of hard to watch, but the cutting scenes are there's just very few of them on there. So I apologize for that. Now I know what to check for. Apparently, where I had the camera was right in line with a weak spot in the floor that was just under the table saw and the vacuum cleaner, because you can tell when I turn them on, that's when the problem starts. So yeah, it's got that little glitch to it, but it's not that long a video. It's about 9 minutes long. So if you want to see me make a table, well, stay tuned. Here we go. Well, it's coming out pretty nice. I mean, you got to remember, I'm making this with scrap wood. Some of this wood is from pallets. Some of this stuff is wood that I found under the shed when I first moved here, and it's just been sitting out there. And, you know, Krista needed furniture, so I made you a table, Krista. I don't even know if she's going to want it, but it's not quite finished yet. I still got a couple of coats of poly to put on it, plus I have some little details that I want to put around the legs, and just to trim it up a little bit, hide the screw holes on there, and you know, make it look a little different, a little unique. But yeah, that should be all done tomorrow, I guess. And I've got more projects. I've started other projects that I've already taken video of, and well, some of it I deleted the video by accident, but I've still got the projects, so we're going to be having those in no time. Plus, don't forget, we have a contest going on right now. You could win a $50 gift certificate to your choice, either Home Depot or Lowe's or Harbor Freight, or you know, maybe another store too. If you don't have those three there, tell me another one if you win, and we'll get you a $50 gift card. All you got to do, it's really easy. You got to subscribe to the channel. You have to be subscribed to the channel. Once you've done that, just leave a comment, Old Guys Matter. Now, you can say anything else you want, well, within reason. Come on, keep it clean. But you got to put Old Guys Matter, and then you're entered in the contest. And the close of the contest is 12 o'clock on 12 a.m. on the 24th. That's Tuesday. That's it. It's done. We're all done. So you got right up until Monday, right up to 12, and then that's it. It's over. So we're going to give this away on Black Friday, which is the Friday after Thanksgiving, of course. And we're going to do that, if you didn't know already, by shooting all of the entries' names, little pieces of paper. We're going to shoot those out of an air cannon at Krista. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And I hear a rumor that she's going to dress up like a Smurf. So that that alone, that's worth price of admission right there. But yeah, you could win a $50 gift card. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? I mean, I'd like one of those. If you want to send me one, you can. But no, I'll give you one. How's that? Just leave a comment, Old Guys Matter, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we're going to check the name. When we're done, we're going to check the name, and if they're not subscribed, well, we'll go on to the next person. I'll just have to keep shooting Krista with an air cannon. So, you know, that'd be okay. She'll wear eye protection. Don't worry. People are worried about that. I don't know why. We'll make sure she has the proper safety gear. But yeah, so why don't you check into that? And that's going to do it for me, the old guy, the OG. And thanks for spending time with me here in the trailer hood. And for now, well, I'm out.